Well, just got this delivered by FedEx. So here's my life on the road. This is an IceCo. Oh God, I forgot the volume. Oh, there's the model number there. IceCo VL75 Pro D. So I believe it's 75.2 quart cooler ice chest, 12 volt, or you can plug it into regular outlet. Well, in a van RV, it'd be converted from an inverter. So, cool thing about this is that you can open, you can open from either side of each of these lids, which is pretty cool. All right, I figured out how to open this. And it's a dual zone, so you could have it freezing on one zone or the other, whichever you choose. Check this out. So I can open from this side and the other side. How awesome is that? It's got some weight to it, or I've gotten weaker. So I'm really stoked about this, because this is gonna pay for itself, not eating out when I'm adventuring, when I'm not riding on my motorcycle for days on end away from Sprinter Kelly. So I'll be doing cooking more so than just making sandwiches. So this is awesome stuff, man. I'm in debt. Cheers.